Jag volumde Priča Srbski, jag volumde želi, jag volumde smez.
Why Serbia?
I don't think about Serbia or Italy or Germany or America or Libya or Tunis or no. I have one place to save. This is my life. يعني هذا الأطفال that. Every day I burn Više for Mariam and I say please help me and protect me. Yeah. Every day I see my son. Every day I see my nephew, my wife, my mother. I see my people. Afghanistan, Iran. Yes. Nice.
He is helping us in other ways when necessary. By his presence, it is much easier to communicate with people who speak Arabic.
One guy have 12 for Congo. I teach him before. I teach English before the school. And when he left, he said to me, say, you are not teacher for English only. You teach me how I live. If you take some Mačka and stay in her home for a few months, she can't go outside. She don't like to go outside. She don't interest to go outside. She like to, who give her first time this warm place? Yes? I am Mačka. I saw.